Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I'm back at the shop. We're making more videos every week, and I hope you guys are enjoying them all. Today we got another day. We got a little bit of snow, nothing crazy, but I know once that snowfall falls for real, this place is gonna fucking blow up. There's gonna be a lot of people coming in for inquiries for new tires, and a whole bunch of people trying to get their old stuff switched on and off. But today we do have a couple of setups still coming through. Like I said, guys, people are still buying wheels and tires around this time of the year. Let's get into the video. I'll show you guys exactly what we're gonna go through. Stay tuned. So I just put in some new LEDs. You guys can tell that's the before.
That's the fucking after.
Shit. Guys, it is raining, but I still gotta get the shot for you guys. If you guys look behind me, we just finished up this Toyota RAV4. This is a winter setup. Got some UFOs on there and some Toyota Winters. Check it out. Well, guys, my mistake. These are all weathers actually. Looks like they're the Toyota Celsius. So this setup would be perfect to run all year round. It's wrapped on some 45x20s. Came together really nice. Fitment's pretty good. Alright guys, so we just used this sucker up. 35 12.5 Centennials. Wrapped in some TIS's. This thing is gonna rub pretty good. This is a customer request, but man, it does look good. Dave's putting in some spiked lug nuts.
Don't do this to your truck. 35s, 20x10, -24s on the stock truck. So what you get, major rub.
Alright guys, so we'll finish up the video here up in the front of the shop. I hope you guys enjoyed all the setups we had coming in today. Like I said, we'll be trying to drop as many videos as we can throughout the week. We do get a little tied up here, especially because we're kind of crawling into that winter rush season, but we still got a couple of wheel and tires coming through. If you guys want to tune in tomorrow, we will be finishing up that Nissan Frontier. And if you guys have any questions, hit us up in the comments. Like the video and subscribe. Thanks.